All right, in this video, it is time to pull out the old small block and trans and all this stuff. We're just gonna yank it all out. Now, before I yanked it out, I did a little video of it running and I posted an ad on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist saying, hey, I have a complete pullout from radiator to trans tail shaft and pan to air cleaner, all the accessories, including the AC compressor and all that good stuff. And I listed it just for a few $100. And must have gotten like 20 messages, which is surprising. I thought you couldn't even give this stuff away anymore. But anyway, there's a guy that has purchased this, put a deposit down, thanks to the video I put together, so at least it's proof that it runs. And he also has a Chevelle. I think it's a 1970 as well, and he needs an engine and trans. So what's cool is this is going to get taken out and put right back into another cool project, which is awesome. So I'm going to get two people to help me remove the hood. Probably won't see that on video, but in any case, we're going to put the hood on top of the roof under some moving blankets, and then it's time to rip this all out, and he's picking it all up in about a week. Okay, before I pull the hood, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an awl or a scribe and go around the bolt holes. And the reason for that is when I go reattach the hood, I just have to line up that scratch mark, and the hood will be aligned just as I took it off, so I don't have to fight that later, right? So I have a little pick, and I'm just going to go around and make a scratch. Whoa. Alright, here it is. This engine has been good to me for the past 15 years. Always ran good, leaked a little bit of oil, but you know, I knew one day I would swap it out. So the person that purchased it also owns a Chevelle, so it's going right back into the same car. And it should be reliable for him as well. Obviously, he should probably take care of all the leaks and put a fresh coat of paint on here. And of course, here's the new motor all ready to go. So I'll be working on getting this guy in.